So guys, this is so much fun. So my honest thoughts are there are so many games, so many. There's a lot to learn. Loading this app does take a little bit of time, but it's 100% worth it. Just let it load. After us. Interesting. Whoa. So let's go. Zoom. You can see the quality, like it's awesome. Like this is really cool. The whole setup to install. So the whole setup to install is amazing. Like it's a lot of fun. As you can hear, the audio is nice and loud. And you can adjust that in the settings. My friends, if you want to get this for your own use, highly recommend it. If you want to get this because you have kids, highly recommend it. If you want to get this to play games with people, family, friends, coworkers, neighbors, everybody, your grandparents, get it. If you want it just to play games by yourself, get it. If you've ever been kind of annoyed with tablets, how even if the big tablets, you wish the screen was bigger and you wish you could play your Google Play games on bigger screens, not just your mobile phone, not just a tablet. Guys, it's like, there's really nothing I can say. I think it speaks for itself. So I actually wanted to start off and say how nice this looks. Like this is really sleek, thin design. So these pieces will go like this. When you're installing the legs, just simply thread in the bolt. Don't put it in the whole way, and then put each one the same. Once you have all four on each side, just thread it in enough they don't come out. Then you can go ahead and thread them all and make it tight. Now this is what it looks like when you're done. By the way, yes, you can use a power station. So if you want to take this camping or portable, you can easily fit it in your vehicle and take it. You'll definitely be the talk of a party if you got this. So this is the first setup. Wherever you're setting this up, set it up near Wi-Fi to get everything first set up. So while it's doing that, and this might take a little while, we can show you guys our power station, and it's only using 3% of 1800 watts. So it's barely using any energy. Okay, once you get everything set up, this is it. Now, of course, everything is touchscreen. Think of it like a tablet, just massive. So we already have some stuff on here. You have Tabletopia, YouTube Kids, YouTube, and these other apps. And of course, you can add more. So then you have this one, which is BGA, and you have all these different games. So you can log in, go through there. Yeah. So for the BGA app, sign up was super smooth, super easy. So let's play. So as you can see, everything is touch screen, which is really cool. You can take screenshots, which is pretty cool. We can go up to games if we want to tap. So we can see casual, short, best for two, party, family, solo. And of course, there's more filters. Let's tap solo for right now. Looks like the stars are going to be premium members. So you know which is which is fine. Let's see. Let's try this one. Down here, before you press start, you can go ahead and select the number of players, and you can go through there. All right, our game is loading. So I want to show you guys some more stuff here. I don't want to go through everything because there's so much and there's so much more to show you, but there's so many games. So yeah, I've definitely been playing with this for a little while. It is a lot of fun. Loading this app does take a little bit of time, but it's 100% worth it. Just let it load. After us. Interesting. Whoa. 1 to 6 players, rated for 10 and older. Okay. Ooh, this is simple and easy to use. Okay. Let's go. So this one, so the, what was it, BGA? That one, you needed to create an account. This one doesn't seem like you have to create any account to play any of the games. Whoa, this is cool. Oh my word, this is really cool. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff we'll have to learn here. Game rules, restart. Okay, so wow. Yeah, there's so much we're gonna have to learn with this. But this is awesome. I can't wait to play it with my family. So for a lot of games, you could tap the question mark, and this will go over everything. You could tap the question mark again to leave. So you just double tap each things. Whoa, look at this. Oh my word. So this is the game manual, which is right there. So that's the manual. So here, let's take a look here and see. Game rules. Okay. Drag with 2 fingers, move, pinch to zoom. Okay. Activate camera, tap to continue. Okay. Sometimes games will pause as they're loading. Just let them load. If you do ever get stuck on a game, what you can do is swipe from the bottom. You can tap, so swipe from the bottom here, tap here, and you can swipe like this and clear all if there is any issue with the game. So guys, this is so much fun. So my honest thoughts are, there are so many games, so many. There's a lot to learn. I think you just go through the games and see what appeals to you. Learn it, play with them. But like, it's pretty wild, the amount of games, and that, like, we have just gotten started. Like, yeah, we have just gotten started. And you can also sort by title as well. Like, look at all of this. Like, it's insane. Bam, extra heart, interesting. So I'm just having fun looking over everything. Wow. Boxing the game. All right, let's try this. The game, 1 versus 1, simulates a boxing match. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's download that one. So some games will be 2 players. Let's see, play hot seat. So we'll do this mode and test this one out. All right, so this video clip is going to be for the YouTube review because it has audio, and on Amazon there's copyright issues. So this is my YouTube channel, my music channel. Again, the quality of the screen and everything is awesome. Everything looks good. You can see the internet, how it's loading very fast. I don't know how well the phone or my camera's gonna pick up the quality of the screen, but it is top notch. Audio's great. So that's YouTube. So yeah, you can search, whatever you'd like to search on YouTube. You could just do, whatever, like normal. That was an ad. All right. You can adjust everything as well. So the size and everything. So like, yeah, if we want to go and see another video, let's just say this is a random person, which this is one of my other accounts. So let's go zoom. You can see the quality, like it's awesome. Like this is really cool. So that's just YouTube. So you can do all things YouTube. As you normally would. No problem. Of course, you can get all the apps on Google Play like if it was your phone. That's no problem. So we're gonna do Candy Crush. So we'll let that open. Just think of this as like a massive tablet gaming system with internet, YouTube, all kinds of games, tons of apps. You know, what you can do with your tablet, you pretty much can do with this, with a massive screen that multiple people can sit around, can watch you play. You can take turns. You can get creative with this whole thing. The whole setup to install. So the whole setup to install is amazing. It's really easy. Like, out of the box, I think anybody can set this up. But let's go ahead and try the gameplay. So yeah, like, it doesn't matter. Like, if you're playing this alone, just keep in mind, if you have your hand like this, it might not work only at the black. So if you're like this, it thinks your whole hand's touching the screen, which it is. So just have your hand lifted up or try and keep on the actual black. So the black border here. I mean, look at the quality and look at, like, it's awesome. Like, it's a lot of fun. As you can hear, the audio is nice and loud. And you can adjust that in the settings. Woo, weird. Look at that. Wow, that was insane. Whoa. That was some good luck for the first level. Wow. Yeah, so it's just cool. Let's do, okay. Yeah, there we go. Do I want to do that or not? Because sometimes they show you and it's like, let's do something different. There we go. See? We did our own. Oh, that's going to be a nice one. Let's go. Sugar Crush. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. Quality is awesome, guys. I highly recommend this game board. I could sit here all day long. Like, wow. All right, I gotta go, or I'm gonna sit here all day long. So you can also tap the arrow keys here, and this allows you to do other stuff as well. Look at that. I can draw. Now let's go back. Let's X that off. You can save stuff. So this went right to the drawing board, right there. Home, just incredible, my friends. Absolutely a blast. Absolutely a blast. My friends, if you want to get this for your own use, highly recommend it. If you want to get this because you have kids, highly recommend it. If you want to get this to play games with people, family, friends, coworkers, neighbors, everybody, your grandparents, get it. If you want it just to play games by yourself, get it. If you've ever been kind of annoyed with tablets, how even if the big tablets, you wish the screen was bigger and you wish you could play your Google Play games on bigger screens, not just your mobile phone, not just a tablet. Guys, it's like, there's really nothing I can say. I think it speaks for itself. And as you can see, I can easily sit here. If I want to sit over here, you can easily have someone beside you. I recommend measuring the height of the table, which actually I'll do that for you guys, so you can get a stool like I have. So I have a stool here, and you want the perfect height for me if we're right here. It's a little hitting, so I just sit a little bit like this. But if you want a stool that's the perfect height, let me get a measuring tape to measure from the floor to the bottom here so you guys can get a perfect stool. I just love this, I really do. So we're taking a look from the bottom to the actual floor. It's going to be about, I'm going to say about 19 to 20 inches. So about 19 to 20 inches from the bottom here. Of course, this, you can also sit here and you can play as well. You could be on your hands and knees and play as well. You can even stand and play as well. Like, it's like the perfect game. Like, you got parties, like anything. Like, it's just amazing, guys. It's amazing. I love it. I review so many products that are similar to this, and the build quality, you wouldn't want it. Like, you wouldn't want it for $5. Like, this is amazing. Like, really, this, the screen quality, the build quality, the setup, everything gets a 5-star rating from me. That's how much I love it. Because just the size alone is amazing, because with Google Play. Then you have the BGA app, the Tabletopia. By the way, there's also massive amounts of other websites, because basically what these are, this one might actually be an app, but the BGA uses Chrome. So let me get out of here. This one is a website that uses Chrome. But there's tons of websites like this with tons of games and tons of things that you can do. So, like, and of course you do have Chrome on here. I didn't show that, but obviously you have Google up top here, so you can search whatever you normally would search for the internet, like Apple iPhone 18. So just the regular internet. So there you go. You got the internet on a massive screen. So it's just, it's amazing. I love it. Yeah, I'm going to have too much fun with this, to the point that it's probably going to affect my workflow. Actually, you know what? No, this is going to make my workflow better, because I'm going to use this for specific stuff for my business. Like, so not only will this be a gaming platform, I can use it for business, for fun, and just, yeah, I'm super thrilled about this, guys.